Hi guys, this is a video tutorial for the rib cage. The ribs consist of a few different structures. The first one to look at is this center bone, which is three different segments. The first one, which is this one here. This one is known as the Manubrium. Right underneath Manubrium, we got this guy here, which is known as the sternal angle. So sternal angle. And right below the sternal angle, you got the body of sternum, which is this entire structure here. This is known as the body of sternum. And right below the body of sternum, we got this guy here, this little guy, and this is known as the xiphoid process. So, xiphoid process. So, just to review quickly, we got the Manubrium, which is this the structure here, and then we go down to Manubrium. We got this line here that separates Manubrium and the body of sternum, and again this line, and this is known as the sternal angle. And then we got the body of sternum, which is this structure here, and then moving down a bit, we got the xiphoid process, which that sums up the middle of the rib cage. Now, looking at the rib cage, let me just make a few of these structures disappear. Okay, let's disappear these structures. Okay, so now looking at the rib cage, there are 12 sets of ribs. So we got 12 sets of ribs, so which means we got 24 ribs. And if you guys want to number them, they start from the top. So we got the number 1 and 2 and so on till the last one, which is the 12th one. Of these 12 sets of ribs, the first 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, right up to here, these are known as true ribs. True ribs. And the reason for them being a true rib is that they're directly connected to the sternum. If you see the C tissues, which I'm going to show you in a sec, you'll see that they're directly connected to the sternum. However, the rest are what we call as false ribs. They're false ribs because they're not directly connected to the sternum. And now we can take a look at it. Let me add the C tissues. Okay, as you guys can see, the first 7, so up to right up to here, from here to here, the first 7, they're directly connected to the sternum. So these are known as true ribs. But as you guys can see, if you go down a bit, these three, they connect to the 7th ribs, a costal guard, and then they go and attach to the sternum. That's why they're false ribs. And so the first 3 of the false ribs, they're connected to the sternum. And if we turn around a bit, and you guys can see the 11th and the 12th rib, so this is the 11th and this is the 12th rib, they're floating ribs, and they're not even connected to the sternum. So again, we got 12 sets of ribs. The first 7 are true ribs. The last 5 are false ribs. Of the 5, 3 of them are connected to sternum indirectly. and 11th and 12th are not even connected. They're floating ribs. Thank you.